Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming at you with a little, let's say, learning experience slash contest. In honor of Black History Month, I wanted to do something a little bit different. I wanted to kind of give you, not so much a lesson, but a little learning experience, I think, when it comes to Black history. I come across a lot of people, just in general, just in general conversations, who don't understand, how, the Black experience is, let's put it that way. With all of the sort of the kneeling at the football games with the football players and just things like that, a lot of people, non-Black people or, other ethnicities and nationalities don't understand why. Well, it's like this, and this is what I've told people. If you go to court, with a traffic ticket or whatever, and you say, well, Judge, I didn't know, the first thing he's gonna say is ignorance of the law is no excuse, and it is your responsibility to understand traffic laws or whatever, because you're driving every day. Driving is a privilege. Well, the same thing applies to history and knowledge. Ignorance of history, is no excuse. It's up to you to find out so that you can understand what's, happening in the world around you, what has happened, so you know where you've come from, where this country has come from, and, have some kind of understanding. So nothing negative, nothing offensive or anything like that. What I want to do is give you, these subscribers of 334 Bama Girl, 3 or 4 topics each week. And I want you to research those topics, be it Google. I encourage you to go to the library, take your kids, make it an experience, look up these topics, these people, and learn the significance of their contributions to history, or the topic, why it's important, significant, or whatever. And come back and tell me down below and what it means to you, or what you got out of looking it up. And what I'll do is, everybody that gets it correct, because I will be grading, not so much grading with the letter, but I will be reading. Well, and everybody that gets it right, I'll put your name into like random.org, and I'll choose a winner each week. And then at the end of the month, everybody that has participated, even if you didn't win that particular week, I'll put your name in the pot too for a $50 Visa gift card. Now, for each week, I'll give a nice little basket of goodies or whatever to the winner, but everybody gets a chance to, win something. You got 5 chances to win, be it once a week or at the end of the month, in the big pot for the $50 Visa gift card. I wanted to give you an incentive to go and look these up, because, it's a way to, like I said, get some understanding. So, like I said, I'll give you 3 or 4 topics and you look them up. And it's not, let's say, it's not knowledge or topics that are just out there. It's not going to be simple. I'm not going to say, go look up Martin Luther King. Everybody knows who Martin Luther King is. But I'm going to give you some lesser known facts and lesser known topics so that you can kind of get some understanding, of the cause, so to speak. So I hope that you all participate and get some understanding so that, we can make things better, make this world better, and become better people. That's my mission. That has been my mission here in life lately. I just want to be a better me, and I want to help people be better them, so to speak. But anyway, yeah, so we're gonna get started. The first 3 topics, I'll make them easy for you this first time, the first week, but as we move along, it will be more difficult. It'll be a little more research involved, so to speak. So first 3 topics, or first 3 people, let's put it that way, will be Otis Boykin. And I'm going to list everybody down below. So if you don't get a chance to write it down, you can look down in the description box. So first person, Otis Boykin. Tell me who he is, what he did, the significance, and what it means to you, okay? Next person, Garrett Morgan. Name will be below. And third person, Dred Scott. Again, like I said, everything will be listed down below. It is not international, let me say that, because I can't afford to send stuff overseas. But it will still be nice if you participated and just did the research. It would be nice. But yeah, so those are your 3 topics for this week, or 3 people for this week. It may not be a person next week. It could be just you know, any kind of topic. Just so long as you do the research and get some understanding from it. So yeah, I'm hoping that you guys will participate. I'm really excited about this. I've been thinking about this a lot. And like I said, nothing negative, y'all. It is definitely not negative. It's just learning and getting understanding. So tell me what you think about it as well down below. And if you want to see more videos like this. But yeah, so hopefully you will participate and enjoy the experience. And I guess that's gonna do it. So until my next video, I will see you then. Bye, y'all.